time on Inanimate Insanity.
Hit it! Buckle your pants! Buckle your pants! Pull up your socks and dance! Buckle your pants! Buckle your pants! Buckle your pants! Buckle your pants!
Hey, can I join you? No. Oh, okay.
Alright, contestants, it is time for your challenge. Your challenge is to find Remote, who has wandered off into the woods, exploring. Your job is to get her back here using tools from this pile. Go!
Well, this should be easy. I have the perfect things in my hideout. I guess I should use things from the pile, though, to make it look more interesting. Done! Now I have to wait for a few seconds.
What's this? My remote sensors are picking up something.
Hot.
What's this, boy?
And Firecracker Marker wins immunity! Yay! Woohoo! Yay.